What's up everyone, it's Kay, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of AI, but not just any AI, we're talking about the AI tools that can actually help you put some extra cash in your pocket. That's right, we're breaking down the top 3 AI tools perfect for beginners who are ready to start earning money online. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just starting out, these tools are designed to be user-friendly, so you can jump right in and start seeing results. So let's get this bread and dive into the future of earning with AI. First up, we've got ChatGPT, and let me tell you, this is a game changer. Imagine having a conversation with a supercomputer that can write just as well as, if not better than, a human. That's ChatGPT in a nutshell. It's built by the geniuses over at OpenAI, and it's built on this crazy powerful language model that can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. Now you might be thinking, okay, cool, but how does this translate to making money? Well, think about it. Content is king, right? ChatGPT can be your secret weapon for creating killer blog posts, engaging social media updates, compelling marketing copy, you name it. And the best part is, you don't need to be a coding whiz to use it. Getting started with ChatGPT is super straightforward. Just head over to the OpenAI website and sign up for an account. They've got different plans, including a free tier, so you can test the waters before diving in. Once you're in, you can start exploring all the amazing ways ChatGPT can help you generate income. Trust me, once you experience the power of ChatGPT, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Next up, we're taking a look at Jasper AI. And let me tell you, this AI writing assistant is on another level. If ChatGPT is like having a conversation with a supercomputer, Jasper AI is like having a whole team of expert writers at your fingertips. It's specifically designed to help you create high-quality content, and I'm talking blog posts that rank, social media captions that pop, marketing copy that converts the works. But here's where Jasper really shines. It's all about efficiency. We're talking about pumping out amazing content in a fraction of the time it would take you to do it manually. And the quality? Let's just say Jasper can give even the most seasoned writers a run for their money. It's that good. Now you might be wondering what makes Jasper different from ChatGPT. While both are incredibly powerful AI language models, Jasper focuses specifically on writing, and it comes loaded with templates and tools that are tailored to different types of content. Whether you're crafting a blog post, writing an ad copy, or even creating a video script like this one, Jasper has got you covered. To get started with Jasper, just head over to their website, sign up for an account, and start exploring the different plans and features. They offer a free trial so you can experience the magic firsthand. Trust me, once you see how Jasper can streamline your content creation process and help you earn some serious cash, you'll never look back. Chapter 3. Copy.ai-Crafting Killer. Copy with the power of AI. Last but not least, we have Copy.ai, another fantastic AI tool that's all about helping you create engaging and persuasive copy. And when I say copy, I mean everything from ads and emails to website content and social media posts. Basically, if you need to write something that grabs attention and drives action, Copy.ai is your secret weapon. One of the things I love about Copy.ai is how user-friendly it is. Even if you've never used an AI writing tool before, you'll be able to jump right in and start creating compelling copy in minutes. They've got a super intuitive interface with tons of templates and tools to make the writing process a breeze. But what really sets Copy.ai apart is its focus on conversion. Every piece of copy you generate with Copy.ai is designed to get results. Whether you're driving traffic to your website, boosting sales, or growing your social media following, Copy.ai can help you achieve your goals faster. Ready to start crafting killer copy with the power of AI? Head over to the Copy.ai website, sign up for an account. They offer a free trial so you can test it out and start exploring the different features. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to create high-converting copy that gets results. And there you have it, 3 incredibly powerful AI tools that can help you start earning money online today. We talked about ChatGPT, your personal AI content machine, perfect for generating all sorts of written content. Then we explored Jasper AI, the AI writing assistant on steroids, designed to help you create high-quality content at lightning speed. And finally, we looked at Copy.ai, your go-to tool for crafting killer copy that converts. The best part? All of these tools are incredibly user-friendly, even if you're brand new to the world of AI. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring these amazing tools and discover the earning potential that awaits. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.